Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. Today I am going to explain how to solve two simple quadratic equations. First one, we have 32 to the power of x equals to 16 to the power of 2 power x. Results that I'm going to rewrite 32 as 2 to the power of 5. Everything to the power of x equals with 16. I'm going to rewrite him as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied with 2 to the power of x. Now we have 2 to the power of 5x equals with 2 to the power of 4 plus x. Results that 2 equals 2 and also 5x equals with 4 plus x. From here, we have this one we are going to put in this member. So we will have 5x minus x, which is it 4x, yes, equals with 4. Results that x equals with 4 divided by 4. In this case, x equals with 1 for solution. Now, we will apply the same method, yes, for the second equation. 2 to the power of x plus 1 remains as it is, equals with 8. We can write him as 2 to the power of 3, yes? Now we have 2 equals 2. We will write x plus 1 equals 3. Results that x equals with 3 minus 1, yes? So, in this case, x equals with 2. I hope you understood this video. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what type of exercises you want me to explain. If you understood this exercise, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.